guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. So let's dive into this is our Facebook. Click your profile menu button. The next step is you're going to click on settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Now you scroll here and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. And the next you're going to scroll down and go and find your activity log. Click on activity log, and here the first line here, the second line where you see public post, public tag, to activities, continue scrolling until you find your likes and reaction. Click on like and reaction, and all the pages that you have liked are going to appear here, and those are the pages that you have liked so far. So if you wanted to delete any like here, just click on the three dots here. Click on the three dots. Click on the three dots. Sorry guys. Click on the three dots. You have to make sure you click on the three dots. You can see, and you scroll up. You can see you want to fill the post back and the further provide picture of the post that the post the page, or you click on unlike. Immediately you click on unlike, you have deleted the like on the page. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more, like and comment.